It is my pleasure now to call our Primate, His Eminence Archbishop Stylianos, to address us. Κυρίες και κύριοι, ο Σεβασμιότατος Αρχιεπίσκοπος θα μας απευθύνει τώρα τον χαιρετισμό του.
Distinguished guests, representatives of local, state and federal governments, reverend clergy, president and members of the parish and community council, head of college and staff, benefactors and donors, parents, grandparents and faithful, girls and boys of our All Saints College. On this memorable day, as we bless and officially open this brilliant multifunction gymnasium hall Ligianis Akritas, we express our deep appreciation to state and federal leaders who gave every assistance to All Saints College during the past 21 years. I'm especially delighted that the Honorable Tony Burke is with us here today. It is my pleasant duty also to offer the gratitude of our church to the current Prime Minister of Australia, the Honourable Julia Gillard, whose government has provided $2.5 million towards this very impressive facility. The Building the Education Revolution scheme has assisted every school in the country. However, today is our turn to express the profound appreciation of the Greek Orthodox Archdiocese of Australia for making this dream come true. I ask Mr. Burke to convey my personal thanks to the Prime Minister, and I hope that recurrent funding will be guaranteed and maintained at present levels to avoid further pressure on school fees. We also acknowledge the community service grant of $85,000, the grandstand and audiovisual facility of the new hall. Of course, at the same time, we acknowledge the enormous contribution of our own community to be the benefactors and donors, to the parents, to our clergy, especially to Father Christos Triantafylou and his assistant priests, to the parish community, President Mr. Paul Kourousis, for his selfless services and great sacrifices for so many years, to the head of college, Mr. Anthony Tsoutsas, to the architect, Mr. Angelo Kantalepas, and to all who have made this center a reality. Congratulations and thank you. Finally, to our beloved students of All Saints College, may the Lord grant you wisdom and health at all times, not only to pursue excellence in your normal subjects, but also to take full advantage of this new facility, to broaden your studies through sports, drama, music, fine arts, and all the related subjects which are now available to all of you. God bless us all. And now, you will allow me to say only 2 words in Greek in order to keep our bilingual character. Αγαπητοί φίλοι, είχαμε το προνόμιο να εγκαινιάσουμε σήμερα αυτή τη σπουδαία στέγη γραμμάτων, τεχνών και πολιτισμού. Είναι δίκαιο να πιστεύουμε και να ευχόμεθα ότι μέσα από αυτή τη στέγη θα καλλιεργηθεί η ελληνομάθεια, θα προαχθεί η ελληνομάθεια για μια γλώσσα η οποία ως γνωστόν ομιλείται συνεχώς, είναι ζωντανή γλώσσα για 4.500 χρόνια. Γι' αυτό το λόγο ελπίζομαι ότι όχι μόνο ελληνόπαιδες, δηλαδή καταγόμενοι της ελληνικής πατριάς, αλλά και άλλων πατριών, οι σπουδαστές στο γυμνάσιο των Αγίων Πάντων, θα μας τιμήσουν με το να χρησιμοποιήσουν όλες αυτές τις γλώσσες του πολιτισμού, χάρη της παιδείας ολοκλήρου του ανθρωπίνου γένους. Όχι μόνο τα δράματα, όχι μόνο οι κωμωδίες, αλλά και κάθε άλλη διδασκαλία της αρχαίας ελληνικής φιλοσοφίας. Το ευχόμεθα και το ελπίζομαι και το δικαιώμεθα. Αμήν.